know that you'll be wondering why you should make your homemade nut milk at home. You need to know how to make your almond and hazelnut at home because it is cheap, easy, and more healthy. So stay tuned. So to make this hazelnut, I'll be making use of 100 grams of hazelnut. So I'm going to leave it to soak for about 8 hours. Then for the almond nut, I'll be making use of 200 grams of almond nut. So I'm going to also leave it to soak for about 8 hours. So after about 8 hours, you can notice that it has doubled in size. You can also notice that the water has turned brown. So I'm going to strain, then rinse it properly. So when I'm done rinsing, I will set aside. I'm going to sweeten this drink with dates. So I'm also going to remove the seed from the date. I'll be adding the date into the blender. I'll be adding about 2 cups of water because I like my milk to be thick and sweet. If you like, you can add 3 or more. Then I will start by adding the hazelnut and almond nut into the blender. So when I'm done adding all the nuts, I'll cover the blender and blend until smooth. So when you are done blending, if you don't want to use your nut bag to squeeze to get the milk, please check out my video on how to use your juicer to properly extract your nut milk. So when I'm done blending, I'll be using nut milk bag to sieve to get the milk. So I'm going to pour the blended mixture into the nut milk bag and squeeze with a clean hand. Then I'm going to squeeze to get all the milk. So when I'm done squeezing, you can use the leftover to make your cookies. You can store the almond and hazelnut milk in the fridge for about 3 days. Finally, the refreshing, creamy and delicious almond and hazelnut milk is ready. Homemade nut milk are packed with healthy fats and some important nutrients like calcium, magnesium, vitamin A. I hope that you try this, and I bet you will always like to make your milk at home. Thank you all for watching.